Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyantriks. This is the second tutorial on Keil 5. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create project in Keil. If you don't have Keil software installed on your PC, then first install it. If you don't know how to install it, then just go and watch my first tutorial, how to download and install Keil 5. So let's get started. Open the Keil application. Go to the project tab. Select New Me Vision project. Here you can select the location where you want to save your project. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Enter the project name here. Click on save. Now we have to select the device. I'm using ARM7 in my project, so I need LPC2148. Select the legacy device database from drop down menu. In search bar type LPC2148. Select the device. Click on OK. We need the startup.s file in our project, so click on yes. As you can see here, we have created the project. Now we need source file. If you have source file already available with you, you can just add the source file. Right click on source group. Select add existing files to group. Select the file. Click on add. Close this tab. But in case if you don't have your source file with you, you can create new source file. Right click on source group. Select add new item to group. Select the file type. I'm going to write code in C language. So I'm going to select C file. Enter the file name. Click on add. So now we have added source file in our project. As you can see here, I have written LED blinking code for LPC2148. So now we'll compile this project. First, I will delete this file because there is nothing in this file. Click on delete. Select yes. Close this file. As you can see here, I have written LED blinking code for LPC2148. So now we will compile this project. You can see here there is a build option. Just click on it. So we have compiled our project and there is no error in this project. Or else you can go to the project, select build target. So now we have created and compiled the project. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment section. For more tutorials, subscribe my channel and hit like button. Thank you for watching.